Hi, I'm DJ Taxi, the creator of Who Wants to Be a Star. Thank you for tuning in to our channel. For many years, we have showcased local talent from the city of Detroit. Now we have them on the internet. Please enjoy the Who Wants to Be a Star channel.
When people want to die, don't ask me because I don't know why, but it's like that, and that's the way it is.
Yeah, time to check it out, y'all. Yeah, this is real hip-hop over here now. Check it out, I know the rules. Went to school, studied to be a fool. In the words moods, I craft lyrical jewels. Woos whenever the girls play with my tools. Put my head in your mouth, you can feel the loose screws. Ooh, on the slide, make a rough thing smooth with lots to prove. I make calculated moves, premeditated, why they hate it. I elevated, initiated to be elevated, so now I'm educated. Can never fall off, stay up too much to demise. Been shopping with these bags under my eyes. Determined to be the best, so I be putting in work. Just look under my nails, you can see the black dirt. It's anatomy to put my rhyme in like a battery. Snatch you off the mic like a nasty looking cavity. Don't be mad at me, it's all just strategy. Showing fools and jokes like Police Academy, except for me. I'm the last one left, like my final tic-tac. And I got bad breath, don't even ask for it, cause you just might get it up your rectum when I start to spit it. My words sodomize, offend and chastise. You wanna get blessed, you might just get baptized. I'ma take it back to that hardcore rap, when if you said something wrong, it started to scrap. Yo, yeah, it's the H-O-T-C, the head of the class. Ain't nobody messing with me. It's the man, the myth, the legend, the outlaw. Called to the top, come and roll like a southpaw. The H-O-T-C, the head of the class. All the main levels I pass. Give me the microphone, and it's bound to get blazed. I may not be the best, but I makes the grade. Yeah, come on now. Yeah, come on now. Yeah, come on now. Yeah, check it out. Here's the production, lyrical construction. Mental corruption helps my mind function. Clean up my suction, musical eruption. My feet words her brothers down like a munchkin. Lyrically, I'm the hottest thing out. Just gonorrhea, brothers eating it out. I make it burn out the mouth, jump out and sprout. Many a fools got took for all of my special bottom dollar. Or get hit like a lotto. I pops collars just to show that I'm macho. Don't make me mad, cause you know that I'm pissed when you look at my pants. And you see a lot of piss, ain't that a trip? Can you smell me? Take a whip, and if I smell like it, you know you on my it list. Like a hitman, I leave him dead on arrival. Robbers liable, but no chance of survival. I can't be stopped, brothers they love how I rock. Ladies sweat me, even underwear's on my jock. You feel me? Yo, I show no love, kiss my. Only a kid with tucks and shrug shows. I don't care, prepare to get slugged. She slide if you want, I swat you like a bug. Cut fools like a rug, get snatched and blood leave your body while in MJ's hand ungloved. You wanna spit hard? Let me show ya, come on now. Let me show ya, come on now. Let me show ya, from left to right. Let me show ya, from front to back. Let me show ya, over here where you at. Let me show ya, come on now. Let me show ya, yeah, come on. Let me end this verse. Hit a woman where it hurts. How quick I get the goose determines a woman's worth. It's real true. I move on well. Put a long feather on your back and chase tail. Smell the aroma, freshness in the air. I love to strike targets and leave nothing to spare. Oh yeah, ladies compare me to a chair on all fours. Yeah, I'm known as a dog. Roof, bow wow. Listen to the sound. I'm the hardest thing hitting since homie the clown. Love the clown. Wild out every night. If I look worried, give me a pack and a pint. And I'm alright, not the one you wanna fight. Cause if you step up, you might lose your life. Just spark the fire, let's get a little higher. Even beer knows that bud makes you wiser. A hot flyer, the rhyme professional. I'm the one that you know, always throw a low blow. So call me Randy, cause I'm savage with mic in hand. I step to Mike Tyson, I'm a macho man. Rule red, yo, I'm hard as can be. Sooner or later, you'll all be chanting Rudy. Red Storm.
Red Storm on Who Wants to Be a Star. We'll be right back with more after this.
Thank you for watching this clip. I'm DJ Taxi, the creator of Who Wants to Be a Star. This clip was sponsored by ToyWithMe.com. Please continue to browse.